All right, good people of Mr. Ruckdash's class, here we are for a special session lesson about how to do a Schoology video. I know that some of you probably freaked out, a little high key, and we're sort of like, there's no way I'm making a video. I don't know how to, this is not happening, and hopefully you trusted me enough to at least make it to this point so you could see how truly easy it is to make a video. So, pay attention in these next couple minutes and I'll show you just how easy it truly is. Let's go. All right, we are going to make a video within our Schoology discussion, and it couldn't be any easier. It's so easy, I almost don't need to make this video. I'm doing it only in case you're not sure. So we're going to click write a comment. And then you've got the option of uploading a file, like maybe you already made one on your own computer, which you wanted to edit, and that would be great. And then maybe you put that video in YouTube or Google Drive, and then you attach the link here. Those are great ways to do it. But for those of you who want a simple one-stop shop solution, I don't know if that made sense, but that doesn't matter. Well, I guess it should matter. But the point is, this is way too easy to not give it a try. So I would encourage you, even if you think you're good with video, just see how easy this is. So I'm going to click audio, video, recording, and then audio and video. And then there I am. And that view is coming from my webcam, just like it'll come from yours. And then all you have to do is click Start Recording. And there we go. Up in the top left-hand part of the screen, you'll see that it's counting how long you've been going, so you can kind of keep track and hopefully get that 30 seconds to 1 minute spot. So I click Stop Recording, and it's going to do its little uploady thingamajig. And when it's done, you'll have the option to insert recording. If you want to preview it first, you could by clicking the play button. And then if you didn't like it, you could just click exit. I'll insert the recording, and here it is, right here. Because you're still going to have to write something in there. So here's the pro tip. If you're saying to yourself, what? Why can't I post it? You have to write. You have to write something. So please don't just write hi. Write your name, Mr. Ruckdashel, and then hopefully you have some sort of slogan, and you're like, if you agree, vote for me. Oh, if I could type better, that'd be easy. Okay. So now that I've typed something in there that has some meaning to it, I can go ahead and click post. And there we are. Now, you'll notice it has a bunch of random letters, and that means it's not actually finished converting the file. And if you hovered over this little green guy right there, you'd see it says, this file is currently being converted into a viewable format. It should be ready shortly. All right, Schoology, thanks for letting me know. So all I'm going to do now, and I've only waited probably 10 or 15 seconds, I'm going to try refreshing the page, and we'll see if it's ready. There it is. Easy as that, you could be done. Notice that you can like and reply. Let's make sure that we're keeping any comments extremely appropriate and nice. No need to get on there and say, hey, everybody vote for this person. Just let it be. If you appreciated someone's video because you think they did a good job, feel free to put a like in there. So as far as other things that you should know, make sure that your video is uploaded by the end of Friday. And then somewhere between Friday and Sunday, try to vote for who you think made the best video. It's not about a popularity contest. It's about who did the best job of convincing you they should be mayor. And then you get one vote, so make it count. All right. I hope that helped you out a bunch. Remember, the video is supposed to be fun. Don't let this stress you out too much. Just ad lib. Just say what comes to mind if you're really having a struggle. You might practice out loud just a little bit so that you have an idea of what to say. And if you really are someone who's a planner, you could script it out to have an idea, but don't get stuck with the idea of I have to read it and say the right words. That'll take a lot more time, and that's not what my intention is. So, do this as simple as you can and try to do your best job. This is fun. If you're not having fun, you're doing it wrong. I'm having fun. Let's have fun. Remember, if you're having fun and this video helped you, like, share, subscribe. We'll see you soon. Peace.